What's up everybody, I've got a quick little tutorial here for you. I'm going to show you how to cut an object out of an image. This one is a staple in most graphic design, and at some point in time you will have to cut an object out of an image, and this is how you do it free in GIMP. So what I have here is I've got two images, one just of a lady and one of a dove. This is, just an easy one I can think of here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that wing on that lady. So real quick, let's dive into here. I'm gonna need this paths tool, and I'm gonna select the path around the wing, and I'm gonna start just putting random points, and it doesn't have to be accurate. We can change it later. In fact, I will show you how to adjust these points right after I finish. And what I'm doing is I'm just hitting Control on the keyboard and scrolling with the mouse, either inwards or outwards, except when I do this. When I go side to side, my mouse actually has the ability to scroll left or right. But Control, outwards, inwards, definitely save you some time here. And like I said, if you were doing this professionally, you'd want to really take your time. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will be speeding this up some. Okay, about halfway there. I could have probably picked an easier project to show y'all how to cut something out. Alright, almost there. Okay, this part right here, every graphic designer comes to this point where you can't really see what's going on. So it's basically, what do you want it to be? Not quite sure what's going on here, but that's about where we're going to call it. So let's take that, and to complete this path, I've got to press Control and then click on that. And there is our path. Yeah, let me show you how to adjust these. I'm going to go back and, whoops, Control Z, undo what I just did. Just press the node here, bring that down some. And you can just take your time, go around all these, but we're going to go ahead and call it as it is right now for the sake of this. So there's the path. I want to go to Select from Path. Now I've got the path selected. Select Invert. Now I've got everything around the path selected. And to get rid of this, to show you, that is what we did. I should have added an alpha channel just to show you, but that's really, I just wanted a picture. That's what we did. What I want to do is select from path again. I'm going to Control, copy this. Going to add a new layer. It's transparent. Drop this thing on there. Take the visibility of that off just because I had that white background. We don't need that. I'm going to put this on. Okay, so I'm going to come back up here. Make sure I have selected from path, so I have that definitely selected. Let's go ahead and rotate this. Okay, about like that. That's good. And maybe I want to move that around. Drop this a bit so I can see kind of what's going on. I'm going to put it right there. Seems good. And what I want to do now is I want to come in with the eraser. I'm going to zoom in. And I want to get all the human bits right here to show through. So, this could take some time. I'm gonna hit it real quick for the sake of this. Like I said, oh, wow, that totally looks bad. Control Z, undo. Maybe I should spend a little bit more time. And this is what a graphic designer's life is like. Thrilling, isn't it? This is amazing, though. Um, and this is just an example. Real world boss may tell you, here's a picture of a watch. Cut out the picture of the watch, put it on this model over here. Okay, let's get the hand. And let's see how that's looking. Zoom out. Oh yeah, forgot to say. We can go ahead and anchor this thing down. We could have done that before we started erasing and everything, but that's pretty much where we wanted it. Let's go ahead and bring this all the way back. You know what? Undo, because I need this at 100 when I anchor it. Anchor. Okay, that's a bit better. And we can run in here while we still have the eraser handy. Get rid of whatever black that is right there. Just take your time, come through here. That looks a little bit better there. But there you go. That's how you do it. So take that and run with it. Get creative. Start cutting things out and pasting them where they don't belong. Or where they do belong. Either way, y'all have fun.